What's up, guys? I'm here with Ryan, and today is Saturday, and we are going to Toronto Island. It's actually my going away party for my big trip, and I invited a lot of my friends. We're going to have a barbecue, so I'm going to take you guys along.
Lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and
So Ryan and I
Oh,
made
don't
it.
get my contraband on.
Ryan's illegally drinking beer on
Wow.
the island. So we're trying to find a barbecue, and strangely, the islands, as far as I saw, didn't have a reservation system. And then I see barbecues that are reserved, so that was a little bit concerning. But I found a couple that are free, so we should be okay. I think Toronto Island's probably one of my, well, actually probably my favorite place in Toronto.
Yeah.
It's just so beautiful and feels like you're really in nature, even though you can see the CN Tower just behind us, maybe somewhere back there. But yeah, it's really popular on the weekends. So if you can come here on weekdays, you'll have it all to yourself. But weekends aren't too bad. It's just more crowded. Yeah. This is so cute. Franklin was my favorite when I was a kid. I didn't know they built this little park here in name of him. So sweet. So Ryan and I finally found the perfect spot to have our barbecue, and we're just waiting for everybody to arrive. We've got a fire pit going, and here is our grill. This was my first time ever using charcoal, but I mean, fairly self-explanatory. And yeah, I think this is going to be a really fabulous day.
we were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so every night I dream it. I'm starting to believe in what you say when I'm asleep, and that you
Good morning, guys. It is the day after my party, and I'm actually very glad that I have a voice right now. I don't know what happened yesterday, but by the end of my party, I could barely talk. My voice felt so strained and like I was about to lose it. I don't know if I just overdid it, which seems strange since I talk that much all the time to people, but anyway, I was a bit scared that I was gonna lose my voice yesterday, but I had so much fun at the party. It was such a blessing to have so many people there that I love so much, and to just have everybody gather together on such a beautiful day, because I don't think it's really hit me to the full extent that I'm possibly going to be away for half a year. Like, travel for me can go very quickly. I can go for 3-4 months somewhere and feel like it went by just like that. But at the same time, 6 months does seem like such a long time, and I am really gonna miss everybody here, and I hope that my trip won't feel too lonely, because I will be seeing other friends on the way, but at the same time I do really miss the people here, and I also miss my parents since I'm usually away from them so much of the year. But anyways, today is Sunday, and I'm about to go to work here soon, and then Monday I'm working all day as well. Tuesday's basically my last day to get all the things I need to clean my whole apartment for my sublet, to get all my last packing done. And then Wednesday afternoon I leave on my flight, and that's that. So we really are getting to the tail end of things here, and even though I do feel fairly ready to go on my trip, it does seem a bit surreal that, you know, it's actually happening, that we're basically here. And one kind of sad thing that had happened just a few days ago is I filmed a packing video for you guys, but I didn't realize that I basically didn't press record for a large section of the packing video, and I did like 20 to 30 minutes straight through talking, putting all my stuff in my bag, and yeah, realized after the fact that that was not on my card. So unfortunately, I don't have an extensive packing video for you guys. That's just what happened, and I sadly don't have enough time to fully reshoot it. And if you guys can see behind me, I've already packed the majority of my bags, but let me actually give you guys a little quick breakdown. So as you guys can see here, I have my new backpack as my plain carry-on that I'll put under my seat with all my stuff. I'm gonna have this one as a carry-on as well, where I'm gonna put all of my like electronics kind of thing. I have my drone. I'll probably put my cameras in this bag. And then this guy is obviously my checked bag. I cannot tell you what a challenge it was to pack clothes for this trip, considering that I'm packing for weather that's currently plus 37, plus 40 in Kazakhstan, to whatever winter temperature is going to be in Russia and Ukraine when I'm visiting in possibly November, December, January. I'll probably have to end up buying clothes for that type of weather, because I'm not going to bring my winter jacket with me. But yeah, I try to bring as many different layers of clothes that I might need for at least the beginning part of my trip. And then over here I have that awesome toiletry bag that I have all my main skincare and shampoo and stuff. I have my makeup in this guy. I'm gonna be doing some interesting type of stuff as far as workouts go on my trip. I think I'll probably shoot some videos for you guys to show you how I kind of stay fit while I'm on the road with just a couple pieces of equipment and online sort of workouts. I don't know why my speaker is in here, that should be in there, but I have just some other like nail type of stuff, and I have souvenirs for everybody. So this is basically the bag situation, and to be honest, I'm pretty proud of myself for limiting myself to this amount and finding it actually not too bad. The question is whether I can stop myself from buying more things, but for now, I feel pretty good. So yeah, it's pretty crazy to me that we are actually finally here and that this trip is happening, and I just know that when I come back, I'm going to be a totally different version of myself, and I can't even imagine what kinds of experiences I'm going to have on this trip, the kind of people that I'm going to meet, and probably the effect that it's going to have on my channel and my career. So I am very, very, very excited, slightly nervous if I'm being honest, but I think once I kind of get traveling, kind of get in the swing of things, it won't be as overwhelming. So that is basically where I'm at, and I think I will film one more sort of video here in Toronto on the day that I'm leaving and going to the airport and just kind of saying goodbye to things. So yeah, wish me luck. Pray that I don't forget anything important that I will need on my trip. And other than that, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Thank you so much for all your support with my channel, and keep being your own kind of beautiful. Bye guys.